Vencore weather meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, September 22nd. A quiet looking week here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Another refreshingly cool air mass has arrived. Temperatures all day today will hold at below normal levels despite plenty of sunshine in the I-95 corridor. There can be a few clouds today up in the mountainous regions across central and northeastern Pennsylvania, but for the most part in the I-95 corridor it should be mostly sunny, quite breezy, and refreshingly cool. Tonight could see some of the coolest temperatures so far this season, with low to mid 40s possible in some of the suburban locations north and west of the big cities along the I-95 corridor. Well, let's take a look at the current surface map. Cold frontal system is moving through the region right now, and this high pressure system out here over the middle part of the country will dominate the weather scene in the northeastern quadrant over the next few days, with cool, dry conditions and below normal temperatures for this time of the year. A rather quiet week is in store. There is one fly in the ointment. We'll talk about that in a few minutes, as there can be some moisture along the East Coast that rides up along the East Coast by about the Thursday time frame. But certainly for the rest of today, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, a cool, dry weather pattern in store for the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's jump ahead 48 hours. We just looked at the Monday morning surface map with that high pressure somewhere out here in the middle part of the country. This is Wednesday morning. By this time, that high moves all the way to the northern New England area. It'll be centered right up to our north here on Wednesday, in complete control over the next few days. And again, there will be a little area of low pressure developing along the southeast coastline, riding up the coast, and we'll have to monitor that over the next couple of days. It does appear as if most of that, if not all of that moisture, will stay off the East Coast, at least off east of the I-95 corridor. But again, we'll monitor that. That's the only potential fly in the ointment over the next several days with respect to this cool and dry weather pattern. Well, here's the latest infrared satellite imagery loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Some clouds right now up in the higher terrain of the mountains of western Pennsylvania, northern Pennsylvania, western New York. But notice right in this region right here, totally clear skies this morning along the I-95 corridor. Blue skies, and again, mostly sunny today with a developing strong northwest breeze. It'll kick in at some 20 to 25 miles per hour at times during the midday and afternoon hours. So cool, quite breezy, but mostly sunny here on Monday to start the work week. Well, let's take a look at a few computer forecast maps for the next few mornings. We'll look at Tuesday morning. This is tomorrow morning using last night's 0Z GFS model run. High pressure pretty much centered right on top of the Mid-Atlantic region on Tuesday morning. Again, in complete control this morning. That high is situated out here. It's on its way over the Mid-Atlantic region and then up to northern New England by Wednesday, in complete control over the next few days. But notice a little bit of moisture here. We'll have to monitor this. This is the beginnings of a system off the southeast coastline as of Tuesday morning. Let's now jump ahead 24 hours to Wednesday morning. Well, here's the forecast map for Wednesday morning. High pressure now centered over northern New England. Notice this area of moisture just off the Virginia coastline here. Again, we'll have to monitor this over the next couple of days. Appears as if it'll stay just to the east of the I-95 corridor. Let's now jump ahead to Thursday morning. And here it is by Thursday morning. The main area of moisture is well off the East Coast, but the GFS puts out a little bit of precipitation here back into the D.C. region, for example, the Delmarva Peninsula. And again, we'll have to monitor that. That's the only fly in the ointment to the cool and dry weather pattern expected throughout the week. High pressure does move off the northeast coastline by Thursday, and that'll, on its backside, will get a southwesterly flow of milder air at the end of the work week and the beginning of the weekend. Will probably reach near 80 degrees by the time Saturday rolls around, but it's certainly a cool and dry weather pattern for the next few days. And tonight could see some of the coolest temperatures so far in the suburban locations along the I-95 corridor. And that's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.